Hi everyone, I am Aruna, Assistant Professor, Department of Information Technology, SNS College of Technology. Today, in this session, we're going to see about explore the virtual world using two technologies. That is nothing but artificial intelligence and the machine learning. These both the technology are interrelated, or we can call it as a subset of each other. Before entering into the thing, first we're going to see about the intelligence. The word intelligent is nothing but it it is nothing but a machine to stimulate the human behavior. In a simple quote, we can say it is an intelligent being learned by interacting with the world. Before entering into the thing, we're going to see about what do you mean by artificial intelligence as well as machine learning. Artificial intelligence is nothing but the intelligent machine. So how the human can resolve or solve the problem the same way the machine can solve the problem, or otherwise how the human being take the decision or can suggest some decision how they can perform the task. The similar way, a machine to do this thing can be called it as a artificial intelligence. The next one is the machine learning. Machine learning is the subset of artificial intelligent algorithm. So without the programming, by learning the past experience, it will match the pattern, it will respond the output or produce the output. This can be called it as a learning. So this both the thing interrelated, we can use it for the different application, different areas or different field. We are using these two technologies. The next type of learning is nothing but a deep learning. Deep learning is the subset of machine learning. It will be used in the deep neural network. That is nothing but DNN. So how the effectively using the variety of tasks. This can be done by using a deep learning. That is nothing but image classification, speech recognition. In this area and all, we are using a deep learning. So in this way, only artificial intelligence can be acted as a subset for the machine learning algorithms. So next we're going to see about the definition of artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence can have so many definitions. So all are the thing can relate to the same thing. That is nothing but the human can do multiple tasks, or the machine can suggest or take the decision. How, or we can call it as a how human can resolve the problem, a similar way how the machine can resolve the problem. So that we're going to see it now. So this is nothing but ability of digital computer or a computer controlled robot to perform a task commonly associated with the intelligent beings. This is one of the definition. The another definition is nothing but the task which involve a certain degree of intelligence which was previously deemed only to be done by the humans. The another definition is the stimulation of human intelligent process by machine, especially computer system. These processes include learning, reasoning, and self-correction. The another definition is the simulation of human intelligent process by machine, especially computer system. These processes including learning, reasoning, and self-correction. The another type of a definition is a capability of machine to imitate the intelligent human. These all are the definition of human. All are related to the same one. That is nothing but the main goal of this AI is a smart computer system like the human to solve the complex problem. So the next thing is what are the different types of intelligence? Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence can be classified into two types. One is a type 1, the another one is a type 2. In your type 1, we are having a three different categories, that is a narrow, general, and strong artificial intelligence. In your type 2, we're going to see about the four types of the thing. One is a reactive machine, limited memory, theory of mind, and self-awareness. Now, let us see the type 1 of the artificial intelligence. So here I already taught to you, it is a three different kinds. One is a weak, strong, and the super. Weak is nothing but it is a narrow. So what is a given? It will produce an output. It is specialized only in a single area. So this type of a machine, we can call it as a general purpose intelligent. It is specialized only for a single area. Example, Tesla, Sri, Alexa. These are the basic general example for the narrow or a weak AI. The next one is a strong AI. The AI reaches the general state. Examples of many. These are the example for the strong. Can perform the intellectual task and accuracy as related to the human thinking. This can be called it as a strong AI. The super AI is the perform a specific task better than the human being. That can be called it as a super. These are the different types. These are the different types under the type 1 category. So that is nothing but narrow is dedicated to one task. General AI is perform like a human being. Super AI is nothing but the intelligent than the human. These are the type 1 category. The next we are going to see about the type 2 category. This is based on the 4 types. One is a reactive machine. So reactive machine is nothing but how the machine can be reacted. So based on the observation, how the machine can be reacted can be called it as a reactive machine. So it does not have any memory, does not have any past memory. So only based on the present, it will produce an output. Best example is the IBM chess program. The next one is the limited memory. So a limited memory is nothing but we can use the past to identify or taking the decision for the future. That can be called it as a limited memory. The best example for this limited memory is a self-driving car. The next one is the theory of mind. This is nothing but this type of a system will produce an output about the look like a human being. So it will understand all the emotions of the human being. Based on the thing, it will produce an output. That is nothing but to understand people emotion, belief, thought, expectation, and be able to interact socially with the around. This can be called it as a theory of mind. This is also can have the memory to store the data. The next type of AI is nothing but self-awareness. This is nothing but it have own conscious. We can call it as a super intelligent. It also have a self-awareness and the sentiment. This is exactly complete a human being. How the human being think. The same way it will produce an output. This type of a machine can be called it as a self-awareness artificial intelligence. So the next thing is, we know that in the topic itself, we are saying how we can explore the world using a technologies, that is artificial intelligence and machine learning. So these are the basic example or examples of the in the world how the artificial intelligence and the machine learning majorly used. So nowadays in our day-to-day life, in each and every cases, we are using the artificial intelligence and the machine learning technology. First, we're going to see about the virtual assistant. So what do you mean by virtual assistant is nothing but the best example, Alexa. So how the Alexa will work? Based on the speech recognition, it will get the output, it will reply back to. This is called as a virtual assistance. So it is a simple device. Whatever the requirement of the human being, it will get and it will produce the data. The next thing is an e-commerce website. So what do you mean by e-commerce website? So all our Flipkart or our everything, we can call it as an e-commerce website. This is a suggestion and recommendation given by the e-commerce websites or done by AI. that checks the customer order history and search to determine the better product for the recommended person or searched person. It will produce the recommended product to the thing. So this is also one type of a machine learning technique in the e-commerce thing. So the another one is a cognitive software. So this is nothing but a speech recognition software. This particular software, it try to how we can say this, try to identify the emotions behind that particular word, or noticing of their human tone, volume, stress of the particular word. By using the thing, how the human will think about the thing, that to be identified by using a cognitive radio. The another one is a spam filter. Spam filter can be used in our emails and messaging service and app check incoming message and emails for a certain identifier. These also based on the decision to move the message to and from spam. Mostly all our messages, unwanted message, we are store it in the spam. Whenever we not, we can move to the inbox. How it can be done? By using a machine learning algorithm. The next thing is a loan and credit card processing. Nowadays, everyone we are having a credit card. So in this also we are using artificial intelligence technology. So how here we are having a credit score. So how the credit scores can be calculated? Credit scores can be calculated by using an AI. It is a predefined characteristics by the bank approve or reject the loan and credit card application based on this thing. So in so many places, we are using an artificial intelligence. So this is nothing but the simulation of the human being, or behavior of the human being, how the human reactor, the same thing the machine can do. So this can be called it as the artificial best. These are the best example for an artificial intelligence. So these are the way we can explore our virtual load by using these two technologies, that is artificial intelligence and the machine learning. So this diagram, you can see this diagram, these are the in subset of each and every one. These are the way the artificial intelligence and machine learning can be called it as a subset to each other. So in your artificial intelligence, just we can sense, reason, or engage or learn the thing. So by using these 6 ways, one is the computer vision, natural language processing, voice recognition, robotic motion or planning and optimization, knowledge capture. By using the thing, we can able to sense, reason, engage and learn. So after that thing, we can go for extra ability to learn this particular situation. We are going for a machine learning. So machine learning, we are having the different type of a learning. In the thing, most majorly used learning is the supervised and unsupervised and reinforcement learning. So in this thing, just we can learn. So how we can identify the reason by using this method. One is a regression, decision tree, etc. We are having n number of methods are available under the machine learning as well as the deep learning. In this case, how it can be enhanced or developed by using these technologies. Either it may be a sensor or API or UX or the platform, etc. These are the way we are establishing the physical enablement. So these are the various technologies can be used under the artificial intelligence and the machine learning. So these are the ways your world can be explored with the artificial intelligence and the machine learning. Thank you.